Hi, I'm Agnes Westerman from the Netherlands. This is my model Vivi. Her look and color is what we see on the runway now. But she's missing that new trend, the black haze. I'm gonna create the black haze on her hair by using different tonalities from the Elumen range to give her that special look in her beautiful haircut. So come and have a look. As you can see, I used 4 big block sections, which is very salon friendly. In order to create the black haze, I recommend you to use a black color within your mixture.